Okay, when marking out for handles, what you'll need to do is to mark out where they're going to come down from the top. So for example 35. 272. Always double check the handle centers. So I've got there 223. 223, that's the center line for the actual handle. When you've actually measured out your handles, a good tip is to always double check by lining the handle up to make sure that your drill holes are going to be dead in the middle of where the handle needs to go. The last thing you want to do is make a mistake inside there. Once you drill through the actual doors or drawer fronts, if you've drilled them wrong, then you need to get another one. There is no way of actually patching them up. When drilling for handles, a good idea is to just have a block, sit it at the back. The reason just the block at the back is so when the drill goes through, it doesn't chip out the other side, so you end up with chips on the back of it because you actually drill through here. It goes without saying, but of course don't have your fingers at the back and drill through. Always keep your fingers away. And when you line your drill up, just make sure it's nice and centered. If your drawer front does have any protective coating over it, which in this case this one does, it's the Boss door. You can now peel off the coating before you put the handle on. When putting on the handles, just simply screw them up. You don't need to over tighten the actual screws that you use for the handles because you don't want to strip the thread. So just until it grabs.